Hey guys, welcome back. So today I have my June Boxycharm Luxe or Boxyluxe, whichever one you want to call it. This box, I don't know, it seems maybe a little smaller than the last Boxyluxe, but then again on camera it looks really huge. Anyway, so I'm going to be doing an unboxing of this. I have not opened this, so I don't know what's in here. I have seen some spoilers, but like I said, I don't know what's in my box. I'm really excited to see what's in here. Yeah, if you want to see what I got in my Boxyluxe, then please go ahead and stick around. Alright, so I haven't opened it, like I said. See, still sealed. Let me go ahead and get my box cutter out. Alright. This box is definitely different shaped maybe than the last Boxyluxe that I got. I don't know. But yeah, but for those of you who don't know, Boxyluxe is an upgrade of the Boxycharm box. This box only comes, I think, about 4 times a year, so it's kind of seasonal. And you're supposed to get, I think, maybe 8 items, maybe a little more. And the value is supposed to be obviously higher than the other box, but you do have to pay $50, I believe, for this box. But I think the value is supposed to be over $250 or something, or at least $250. But yeah, let's go ahead and open it up. First thing in here is the card, and it is Boxycharm Getaway. They always have really cute cards. That's how I feel about it. Then of course on the back it has what all is in here. I won't take a look at that yet, but it does have the prices and everything on here. Alright, so the first thing I'm seeing is right on top. It's by Pyatt. I don't know. It's this little bag. Let's see. Aw. It's this cute little hair dryer. I guess this is what this is. It's purple, I guess. I think that's kind of like a lilac color. But it's so little. I guess this is supposed to be like travel size. But it did come with 2 little, I don't know what you call these. It did come with 2 accessories. I'm guessing they just kind of, yeah, just kind of click onto there. But yeah, well, that's cool. I don't have a hair dryer, so this is gonna be nice to have. No, I won't be doing my videos with wet hair. But let's see where this is. It's a mini turbo on the go dryer, and this retails for $85. I mean, I wouldn't pay that much for this personally, just because it is so small, and I feel like that is a price for a full-size one. But then again, I don't know much about this brand, so I don't know if this is a pricey brand or what. But I mean, like, it doesn't feel super light, but it doesn't feel like heavy either. And this material, I don't know what this is. It's very smooth, but anyways. So that is the first item in here. Next thing in here is Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. And it's by Living Proof, and it's a styling and finishing spray, and this retails for $29. I can't smell it. I don't smell anything, but I am excited to try this out. I do like hair care stuff. Moving on, next thing in here is by Dr. Brennan, and I have received several things from them before, and Boxycharm, I believe, and I think I got something from them in FabFitFun as well. But this is a Clean Biotic. It's a yogurt cleanser. The bottle's kind of dirty. It's like black stuff all over it, and I don't know why. Maybe from the box. Doesn't smell bad. It doesn't really smell like anything either. This is supposed to be for all skin types, and this retails for $35. Now that doesn't really surprise me because I believe Dr. Brandt is a pretty pricey brand, so that doesn't surprise me that is that much. Moving on, next thing in here is by Tristic, I believe, or Tristique, whichever one to say, and it is a mascara. But from what I've seen, I believe this has an actual eyelash curler in here. That's what this thing is, I believe. Push down to curl, so that's kind of interesting. Let's see what the wand actually looks like, because that's really what I care about. And of course the formula, but I won't be trying this out today. It's kind of got a curve in there. But it looks just like it's not very fluffy, but at least it's not the plastic ones, because I don't really like the plastic ones. You know, like where the bristles are actually like plasticky or silicone-y, whichever one they are. This retails for $25. That's a little pricey in my opinion for mascara, but that's just me personally. Alright, we got 5 items left. Next thing in here is by Pharmacy, and it is the Honeymoon Glow. It's a night serum. And I have gotten something from this brand before in Boxycharm, and I really do like this brand. I think we got a cleansing balm, like a makeup remover balm from them before, and I really like that, and I still have it, and I still use it whenever I take off my makeup. It's a really good balm. Here is what this looks like, and it's just a pump, which is nice. I do like stuff with pumps. I'm gonna go ahead and just take a whiff. Oh, I think we actually got something else too from them. I think it was a cleanser or something. I haven't actually tried this yet, but we got this a couple of months ago. This one, I got this one in a different Boxycharm box, but it's by the same brand. I haven't tried it yet, but... Alright, and this retails for... Dang, this retails for $58. Why is that so pricey? I would not pay that much for this, but like I've said before, skincare is really expensive, and that's why I like getting skincare items in Boxycharm, because I would never pay that much for a skincare item. Here's another brand that we get a lot, Touch in Soul, and it is No Pore Bloom Essence, Prime Essence. So I'm guessing this is a primer of some sort. I like the packaging, it's really cute. It's like in a squeezy tube. It's like really watery looking, like it's like liquid. It's not very solid, it almost feels like water. It smells really nice. But what is this supposed to do? This is supposed to let your makeup stay a while with your new Touch in Soul primer, blah blah blah. Infused with some type of flower oil or extract or whatever, and it's supposed to tighten up your pores and keeping your skin silky smooth. And this retails for $23, which I don't think that's a bad price for this. But that's that. 3 more things. I think I'm gonna save the biggest one for the last. But the next thing in here is by Dominique Cosmetic. Hopefully I am saying that right. I really like the packaging so far. Like this box, I really like this box. And I believe it's a lip gloss or a lipstick or something. And I have mine in the shade Peach Tea. This retails for $17, which that's a pretty good price. I don't know much about the brand, but you know, here it is. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it. So there is the applicator, and that was a really bad swatch. Hold on. I was gonna do it all fancy like, but it's not really picking up much product, which can be a good thing and can also. There it is. I mean, it's a gloss for sure, and I don't think it's gonna. So there, it's not a very pigmented. I mean, you can see it on my skin. but it's very shiny, and it's going to give you a hint of color. It smells like cupcakes or something. It smells really sweet. It doesn't smell bad. I really do like the packaging. It's very cute. Next up is Skin & Co. Aroma Truffle Therapy. It's an illuminating skin refreshing mist. There this is. It's just gonna do a spray test. It's not a very, I don't know, I guess I could test it out. It smells a little weird. Doesn't smell bad, but this retails for $35, which I think that's a little pricey, honestly, for a mist or for mist, but let's try it out. Okay, that's not a very fine mist. Like, I felt that, but it didn't ruin my makeup, so that's good. But yeah, that mister is not very fine. Maybe I just need to pump it a couple more times. All right, and last but not least is by Tarte, which I love getting things from Tarte, and it is the Tarteist Pro Glow 3. Or volume 3, whichever one you want to say. And if I remember correctly, I did, this is the only thing that I was able to customize, because I think they allow you to customize one thing. This is the one thing I did customize. I had a choice between this or another Tarte eyeshadow palette, you know, like one of those little circular ones. But I chose this because I don't know, I have a lot of palettes, and I really have been liking face palettes lately. Okay, so on these sides it has 2 mirrors, but then here are the actual shades. So it looks like we have 2 blushes, 2 highlights, and then 2 bronzers. I'm going to go ahead and swatch these real quick. Alright, so here are the 2 blushes, and then the 2 highlighters there, and then there are the 2 bronzers. This retails for $45. Wow. I mean, I guess that's not a horrible price considering you do get 2 blushes, 2 bronzers, and 2 highlights, but dang. Alright, so let me go ahead and tally up everything so we can see. So I can tell you what my overall box value is. Alright, the overall value for my box is $352 was the overall value of my box, which is pretty good considering I only paid about $50, I think, for it. It might be a little over 50, it might be like 54, because I don't remember if they charge tax or not, but they might. But yeah, that's everything I got in my box. Yeah, I'm pretty excited. They kind of sent a good variety of stuff. Like, it wasn't just makeup. Like, they sent the hairdryer, and they sent, and I got this hair care, I got some skincare, and I did get some makeup. So it's kind of a good balance. It wasn't just all heavy on makeup. I do really like that they sent some skincare items, and honestly, I don't know. I'm not really thrilled to get a hairdryer. I mean, it's nice, but I mean, I don't know. I guess I get to try out this brand of hairdryer. I don't know. I've never heard of this brand, so I don't know what all they sell, but it is, I don't know. I don't know what I'm trying to say. But anyways, that's gonna do it for today, guys. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like seeing these types of videos. I know these are probably my favorite types of videos to film because I really like doing unboxings. And also make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. But other than that, guys, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!